What does administration mean? The word administration refers to the process of managing, organizing, and controlling an organization, institution, or government. In simple words, administration means the act of running or managing things properly. It involves planning, decision-making, and making sure that work is done smoothly. Administration is commonly used in government, businesses, schools, and organizations. For example, the school administration announced new rules. This means the people who manage the school made an announcement. Administration can also refer to the group of people responsible for managing an organization. For example, the hospital administration improved the healthcare services. Here are some more example sentences. The company administration introduced new policies. Good administration helps an organization run efficiently. The university administration supports students and staff. Some similar words for administration include management, governance, supervision, and organization. In simple terms, administration means managing or running an organization or system. Easy way to remember. Administration means the process of managing and organizing work or people.